Hey guys, Rad Performance here. So we're just gonna do a quick, we got I wouldn't say this is really a shopping cart thing. This is a major thing today, but a bad thing is it caught the body line. So we're just gonna try to do something quick. If you angle out, you can see how bad it is. And it comes over here. So before we do body shop, sanding and primer and all the other stuff, we're just going to try to make it look better. If not, take it out. So we have a couple of tools. First thing I'm going to do is heat it, because the metal is always better if it's warm. Leave it out in the sun. We did have it out in the sun, but now it's nighttime, so the panel's very cold. So I'm going to heat it with just a heat gun. Right here. And I'm going to take a rubber mallet that I just faced with some masking tape to just protect the finish. Always put masking tape on it, even if you use a steel hammer. I've used it. And then we're going to hit up on this body line just to give the pressure back. And we have an air suction cup that we're going to mount here to try to pull out. But when you're pulling this outward, you want, this is it right here. And we'll put links and everything for this. This is a pretty nifty tool. It'll help you out. But when you add the pressure back up, you can see it. It gives the memory for this to come back out. Normally, when you try to pull this now, there'll be a bigger crease here. So we're just going to we're going to tap here as I'm pulling it out. And that's really it. First thing I'll do is heat it up. And then we'll just try it and see how it looks. And then we'll show you. We're not looking for a perfection. You could do a PDR, a paintless. For right now, we just want to get the majority of this pop. And then I have the PDR tools will go in through the window. But really, I just wanted to get this major thing out. The panels do have memory, so it just happened today. So you want to do it as soon as it happens. Just gonna heat it up lightly, get it a little hot. You don't want to burn the paint, burn the clear coat. You just want the panel hot, as if it's sitting out in the sun. You know, these panels get over 100 degrees every day in the summer anyway, so I'm not staying in one place. I'm just going around. There it is, nice and hot now. Let's hook up that bad boy to air. There we go. So you can hold him, and you're gonna go up on that.
You want me to hit from the bottom, right?
Right here. See the high spot?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna poke as you hit it, okay? That's ceramic poke.
Yeah.
Just ceramic. 1 second, I just want some. So that's good, little by little.
Yeah, little by little.
See that high spot?
Yeah, I'm trying to go right on the high spot.
Watch out. You want to go
Go
here.
like that?
Not here, because you're hitting the car. You have to hit the high spot.
Hit right on the
of
high
the
spot.
dent, right. Bounce it. You
Yeah.
can just bounce it. You do a little more. I want you to do the work. You ready? Just like that. Right on that, right on the dent.
Yeah, it moved.
So the problem is, though, it came out too much. I gotta
That's
try
not
to
bad.
go
Yeah,
here.
now you have to get closer to here. Somehow create
I won't
suction.
be able to. I won't be able to.
Yeah, it's going to be hard to create suction.
Let me see
there.
if this sucks. It doesn't.
Yeah, try it now. A little bit more. I don't know if you want to pull the ceramic off.
There's no way. I'll have to lack a thinner. But it's this now.
Yeah,
It wasn't a problem.
that's why it is. If I do that, it helps. Can you pull on this out back? Just lean on it, lean backwards. Just lean backwards? Lean backwards with it, okay? We're going to pull that way. Lean a little more, Paulie. Okay. Just lean on it, yeah. Yeah, now my body
too much. The problem is this is right here. Like
Yeah.
so this is exactly what I was worried about. Is this fucking thing right
Here,
here?
I'll start beating. Yeah, I know that. It is moving, though.
I feel that the paint cracked right here. This won't pop because of the bottom. I have the other paintless to have the glue.
The glue.
Yeah.
I
think I'm gonna leave it. No, I think for now we did get the big one out. I think for now.
The glue or not?
I don't have it here.
I can go grab it.
No, we only have an hour though.
The only thing is,
we could
you think it'll stick to the ceramic?
It will. I mean, yeah. If I keep on doing, I remember the last time on the other Ford, it did it.
Yeah.
On the green one. I don't want to make too much noise, but that's what we do.
Yeah. It's not 9 o'clock yet.
This. Put that right in the crack, and then I'll clean the thing out.
Oh yeah, I do
And
kind of feel it through the plastic.
I
It
can
is
go
warm.
through the door panel.
Yeah.
So if we don't get it, we'll just leave it. I'll go through the door panel. If I try to get this better, this will come out better. And
Yeah.
the whole thing is moving. It's not taking that out. I see this is moving here. But it's
Yeah,
not
the whole
taking that
panel
out.
is literally shaking.
So there you go. And then we'll see, like I said, at least the big pieces out, and then we'll just, I'll look at it next week. I can pull the door panel off.
Hopefully.
Tomorrow. Yeah, it moved it, but it's not doing that, man. It's this piece here now. You see it's creased. This
Yeah,
piece
you're
is
getting a high
creased.
spot.
It's not going to come out. Yep. So
No.
it did move it though.
I mean, honestly, now we could
It
go
moved
with the smaller one in the center, but yeah. Let's use the really small circle maybe too.
Oh yeah.
You ready? Let's do it.
Put it right in the low spot. I'll let it sit a little bit because it was sticking. I gotta say. I mean, from
The
where
crease
it was,
underneath, from where it
this
was
is
actually
low.
huge.
But if we get
So,
this
yeah.
out, it'll help the crown.
Yeah.
Yeah, I won't still lay that bad boy right in the middle. Push him in there. That's okay. Yep. I think it is working a little bit.
It is working. You just keep stepping and stepping.
It's very slow.
It's a very slow and tedious
I made
process.
you
That
the,
is
football.
dent removal.
We just got to fine tune it.
I think
and it
that's
was
right,
never
yeah.
going to look perfect.
That's why we use the football so much. Now all of them are dirty.
Yeah.
They really were
It's
the
also,
best.
That's the image
yeah,
of
of a
the
dent.
dents.
Yeah.
They're always oblong. Yeah, it's coming out too easy now. So, okay. So that's okay.
Yeah, from where we started,
I don't
definitely
like
got
this,
better.
to be honest with you.
To be honest, that is, I think, flush with where it was supposed to be. Maybe
I
it's a
think
little
so.
proud.
That means that this is low now too.
Yeah.
Then here, this is low.
You want to go on
Comes
top?
Yeah, see if it takes that crease out. Right here. Right there. Yeah, see if it takes that crease out. Push in, right? You're pushing in.
Yeah.
There, yep, and then let it
Trying
go.
to go easy.
Yep. No, you got to force it
no,
to let
force
it unbond.
Yeah.
And then we'll let it bond and see if this can come out flatter, then that'll be better.
Yeah, I wonder if that's good as it wraps over, you know? It gives it more to pull against.
Yeah.
but we're gonna find
It's
out.
just the glue and the car itself, because you can still feel it. The ceramic is still on it.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be better. It's not. The best is that. That freaking worked. That worked.
Yeah.
It took it out more. A lot more.
Yeah. That is the truth
That worked.
of the PDR. You just really keep sticking it and going
Just
more
this,
and more.
You don't realize this is hard.
And it's with the
because of
crease.
this. Yeah. This and this is really hard. This I know it did poorly. It lifted it.
Yeah.
It's still low, but it lifted
No, it's
it.
a heck of a lot better than it was before.
But I did like how it came out. So go like right there where you had it. And let's see, because it did take it out, man.
And I think if it wraps over it, it helps
Yeah.
it too.
Like I said, it's all in the glue. But what I would do, I would get a good quality glue gun and glue.
Yeah.
Because I think Macco and Snap-on sell the glue kit without the PDR. See, we get a little more out of it. Oh, that one came off too easy. But I'll tell you, man, this is it's still low,
Yeah.
but it's really good though. The thing is,
I think we try at least one more.
this one, yeah, we could try.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think we still do an oblong.
Give it one last college try.
'Cause this has to cool down.
That's
anyway,
all you do
so
in college anyway.
Watch your fingers.
Oh, you okay?
It's freaking hot, man. Put a nice whopping.
There you
Got
go.
my vanilla
That's it.
bean.
All right, that is how we like it. Give it a second.
Just the way it is. Oh no, I was careful. No, you weren't.
There we go. That one sticks good. Gentle. Yeah.
It took out this
It
piece.
did.
You see it?
Yeah.
But it doesn't take it out right though. It's a little bit same.
Well, guys, it is a lot better than what we started with.
And it's still not finished yet, but we're getting dark, so we just got the big part out. We got to get another
Yeah.
adapter for that air.
Yeah.
That
but
air
from over
piece
here,
is gold.
it's not that bad. Yeah. Yeah, we'll throw some links up for you guys inside the description. This thing was just really a science experiment, but it is awesome. Absolutely. Worth every penny. You got the Eastwood PDR dent removal kit. We got our suction cup. Links to everything will be inside the description. Leave a comment. Let us know what you guys thought of this. Let us know if you want us to try anything else. Make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe. We got more tips and tricks like this and more beautiful projects like that Skylark sitting inside the garage over there. Until next time, guys.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be